Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today my name is Sew by me Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and do not forget to click the like button and also turn on the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. Today we'll be refashioning this you see this skirt, this yellow skirt. It's a long skirt. We'll be refashioning it into a simple circle dress. You guys can see this beautiful dress. We'll be refashioning it into this dress. So let's go straight to it. All you need is, I'm doing it without a pattern. You don't need any pattern or any measurement. This is just a simple sewing for beginners. So all you need to do is to fold your skirt into two. You see, I folded it into two. And spread it on the floor or wherever you feel comfortable sewing, doing your cutting. And this is the dress. Fold into two as well. Put the handle together, the hand side together, you see. And place it directly to the fabric, to the skirt. You see how I place it on top of the yellow skirt. So now, as you place it, this will serve as our guide. The essence of using this flowered circle dress is to get the exact shape and the exact measurement. I don't need my measurement to do this, or you don't need it either. Just look in your closet, any of your dresses, anything you like to make with it. Just fold it and place it on top of the fabric, and use your scissors to just trim, cut along the shape, the same shape with the dress. See? Cut along the same shape. Everything, the neckline, this is the neckline now. I will go along and cut the neckline. You see? You just place, make sure you place it according to the, you see how it is, exactly. So now, we'll go straight and cut the neckline. We'll follow the same pattern as this dress. So now, I'll go ahead and cut the band. I will trim off the band first. So now, that will give me enough space and to cut the neckline. So now all is left is here. So we're gonna use it as our neckline. You see here, as I already placed my circle dress. So I'm gonna cut just directly the same neckline. But if you wanna extend your own or increase it a little bit, you can equally do that after cutting. I don't know, it seems this scissors is, excuse me, let me get another scissors. I don't know what is wrong with my scissors this afternoon. The fabric is just so simple. You see, I've cut out the neckline. You guys can see. But if you want it so, because the neckline on this, I make it so small, like 2.5 inches. But I have to cut deeper, more, to get exactly what I want. So now I've cut out the neckline. So all I have to just trim it off, make it sharp to show, to give you exact guide to when you sew it. So I'll go ahead and trim off a bit more to make it more defined. Yes, I've cut out the neckline. So what we'll do now is to follow the same shape. You see here is the sleeves. You follow the same dress, the pattern on this circle dress. Follow suit and they cut out the sleeves. your armhole. There you place your sleeves. So your armhole now, yes, we've cut out your armhole. So all you need now is to remove the cloth, and see you have a dress already. You see the pattern is already there. It's clear and simple. This is your neckline, and this is your armhole. You see? So make it trim off the excess fabric by the sides, and yeah, you have yourself you can see that we have already a dress. So I'll go ahead now and I'll stitch it. I'll go around and stitch the neckline and the armhole. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, guys, I just found out that I don't have because you know this is skirt and I don't have extra fabric to make the neckline and the armhole to stitch it around. I have to like get something to stitch it together. That's all we need for this, because the body, everything is already intact. So I decided to use this because it's yellow. It has the same color with this fabric. So all I did was I already cut out some here. You can see the shape. This is the exact shape of the neckline. So all I did was I placed this fabric around the neckline, and I got the exact shape I want. The same shape with the neckline. I'll cut around this fabric to get this. That was how I got this to trim in order to just to stitch the neckline and the armhole. So I'll come back and show you guys after doing that. I'll pin it down and sew it now. Yes, I've finished pinning down it's like a bias, just to give it a nice finishing. I've finished pinning it down. You can see the neckline and the armhole. So I'll come back and show you guys. I'll take it to my sewing machine now and stitch it around. I'll come back and show you to the next step. Yes, as you guys can see now, I've finished stitching the armhole and the neckline. You see, this is the neckline and this is the armholes. So I'll go now and stitch the shoulder. It's still the armhole, but I'll stitch it along with the neckline. I'll stitch it together on the both side. I'll come back and show you. Basically the dress is done. Everything is done at this stage. I'll just stitch it together and I'll come back to show you the final look. Yes, I've finished stitching the neckline and the armhole. Everything is now together. You guys can see this is it. You see? Sorry. Yeah, this is the neckline, the armholes, the two armholes, and basically it's done. You have yourself a beautiful dress. I'll go ahead and try it on and show you guys the fitting. Yes, this is the final look of our dress. Refashion long skirt to circle dress. You guys can see. You see what we have? So I would like you guys to give it a try. Look for any of your old skirt or any of your long skirt that you don't like or you want to get rid of. Use it to give it a try, and you might end up like this, something nice. It's all about designing, recreating things that you don't, maybe something boring, any of your clothes. It doesn't matter, just make it lively. This is the final look. I'm loving the dress. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, click the like button. See you guys next time.